We're at IDEX 2019 and I'm speaking to Mr. S.K. Puri, Head of Defence Exports, Ashok Leyland. Mr. Puri, Ashok Leyland, probably their best known product is the Stallion General Service Truck. That's been delivered to the Indian Army for many years now, and you must be up to around 70,000 plus units?
Yeah, we have developed more than 75,000 units to be on a safer side, and these vehicles, which are known as a general service truck, has got uses for the logistic vehicles, and also apart from the uses as troop carrier, they are also being used and supplied as recovery vehicle, also as a water bowser, which is an insulated double stainless steel tank, and which keeps water for human consumption fit for almost a week after filling, and insulation is such that the temperature increase or decrease after filling after 24 hours is not more than 2 degrees centigrade.
And do you build the Stallion at your own factory, or is it supplied CKD to...
It's a both way. We have been supplying fully built vehicles for exports and also the variants like recovery and water bowser directly. And for supply to Indian Defence Forces, there is a license agreement with the vehicle factory Jabalpur, which is a Ministry of Defence ordnance factory. We supply cabin and engines to them under our license agreement, and they build the vehicle and supply to the Indian Army.
And the Stallion itself, the aggregates and maybe even the chassis frame, is that used as the basis for any MRAP type vehicle or protected vehicle?
Yeah, we have built a few protected vehicles, fully armored vehicles, or you can say protected troop carrier on Stallion, and a couple of such vehicles are in a trial in Egypt also. For Indian internal security purpose, for counterinsurgency operations, we have developed mine-protected bulletproof, not mine-protected, medium bulletproof vehicle, which is being used extensively for internal security. That vehicle is slightly smaller than Stallion, on a Stallion platform. Almost all the units are of Stallion, and it's doing well.
And I believe you've recently introduced a lighter weight vehicle called the Guru?
Yeah. As a further step on increasing our range, we have gone for a Guru range of vehicles in 4x4, which is known as 712 and 715. 712 is for carrying capacity of around 1.5 ton, can be used as troop carrier, recovery vehicle, water bowser, ambulance, and even firefighting vehicle. Similarly, 715 is for carrying a payload of around 2.5 tons, again can be used for a varied uses for armed forces.
And at the opposite end of the scale, I believe you do a range of trucks that you encompass under the umbrella of Super Stallion, which are from 6x6 right through to a 12x12?
Yes, we are into that range now. We have developed our own in-house engine named as Neptune, which can produce up to 450 horsepower. And these engines are fitted on the Super Stallion range of vehicle. The vehicles are offered with the CTIS system, rear view cameras, automatic transmission if required, and also the high range of axles. These vehicles are right from 6x6 up to 12x12 as per the requirement, and we are offering them to Indian Army as well as for exports. These vehicles are also fitted with material handling crane to make it easier for loading and unloading at the vehicle.
And could you give us some examples of Super Stallion that are being delivered to the Indian Army?
We are delivering chases to replace the earlier chases which was fitted on multi-barrel rocket launcher. We are doing it for common gun tower by name Field Army Artillery Truck, and we are also doing it as a material handling vehicle, 8x8 vehicle fitted with the material handling crane, and also for carrying further loads on 10x10 range also.
Excellent. Thank you very much.